Thinking about investing in real estate but not sure where to start? In 2025, the real estate market is shifting, and smart investors are looking at key cities with high growth potential. Whether you're searching for a rental property, a vacation home, or a long-term investment, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll break down the best cities to buy real estate in the U.S. right now based on market trends, affordability, and return on investment. Let's dive in! Understanding the 2025 real estate market. Before we jump into the best cities, let's look at key real estate trends shaping 2025. With mortgage rates stabilizing around 6–7%, buyers are being more strategic about their investments. High-cost markets are cooling, while secondary cities are booming. This is a prime time for investors to take advantage of lower competition in expensive cities and growing opportunities in emerging markets. States with lower taxes and cost of living, like Florida and Texas, are seeing massive in-migration, while high-tax states like California and New York are losing residents. This shift is reshaping the demand for housing, increasing property values in the South and Midwest. With more people working remotely, suburbs and mid-sized cities are becoming prime locations for real estate investments. The ability to work from anywhere has led to higher home values in areas with affordable housing and strong quality of life. Inflation is driving up the cost of living, making affordability a key factor in real estate decisions. Buyers are looking for cities with stable economies and low living costs. Eco-friendly and smart homes are becoming a significant factor in purchasing decisions, with buyers prioritizing energy efficiency and home automation. Top cities for real estate investment. Austin, Texas. Austin continues to be one of the hottest real estate markets in the U.S. Thanks to its strong job market, tech industry growth, and no state income tax, home values keep rising. The median home price is around $450,000, and rent demand is soaring due to the influx of young professionals. Austin's vibrant cultural scene and business-friendly environment make it a strong investment choice. Tampa, Florida. Tampa's affordability compared to Miami makes it a prime spot for investors. With a strong rental market, an influx of retirees, and a growing job sector in healthcare and tech, this city offers great potential for property appreciation. Additionally, its warm climate and waterfront attractions make it a desirable place to live year-round. Phoenix, Arizona. Phoenix has become a top destination for Californians looking for lower costs. It has one of the fastest growing populations in the U.S., and real estate prices are still reasonable compared to other major cities. Plus, its job market in manufacturing and tech is booming. The strong demand for housing makes Phoenix a profitable market for rental property investments. Charlotte, North Carolina. Charlotte is quickly becoming a financial hub, attracting professionals and investors alike. With a median home price of around $400,000 and a strong rental market, this city provides excellent long-term investment opportunities. Its growing economy, major banking institutions, and expanding infrastructure make it a solid choice for buyers. Boise, Idaho. Boise's real estate market has been exploding thanks to its low crime rates, outdoor lifestyle, and affordability compared to the West Coast. Investors are seeing great appreciation, and rental demand remains high. With an increasing number of remote workers moving in, Boise's real estate value is expected to keep growing. Nashville, Tennessee. Nashville is more than just a music city. It's a real estate goldmine. With a booming economy, strong tourism industry, and an increasing number of companies moving to the city, housing demand is surging. The combination of affordable property prices and strong job market growth makes Nashville an attractive option for investors. Investment strategies and final tips. Now that we've covered the top cities, here are some final tips to help you succeed in real estate investing. One, look at job growth, population trends, and future developments. 2. A good rental property should have a strong cash flow. Calculate expenses versus rental income carefully. Three, work with a local realtor who can provide insights and help you navigate the best deals. Four, real estate is a marathon, not a sprint. Focus on long-term appreciation and passive income. Five, consider different property types like single-family homes, multifamily units, and vacation rentals. Some states offer great tax breaks for real estate investors, so be sure to explore your options. Seven, the market goes through cycles. Have a financial cushion in case of downturns. Closing scene. Call to action. Which of these cities would you invest in? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more real estate insights. Thanks for watching, and happy investing.